Right, you got it?
Yeah, I've got it.
You want to run up? Run right up. Run up and help him. Okay. Is that okay now? Yep.
You under it, Lee?
Yeah.
Are you holding it?
Yeah.
I'm going to let loose a bit, yeah?
Yep.
You just hold the tie down further down.
Down here?
Yeah, lift it up. Right, we're going to have to pull it over. Okay, over done.
Do you want a third man?
Yeah.
I'm going to help.
Pull it over again, mate.
I missed it.
Twist it over. Don't throw it over on its feet.
Yep.
Right, yeah, I need it. I wonder if we might as well just pull it over on its feet. Right, yeah. Let it go back down to that.
Yep.
I want to spin it over onto its feet. Yeah. Right, keep hold of it. Right, spin it round.
Need my help?